Well, we're approaching another parking garage, and as you can see by that elevator going up, we have some glass elevators. Oh, Jacob's got to set up. Let's see what kind they are. Or do you want to wait? You want to be surprised by what they are?
I'll be surprised.
You'll be surprised. All right, you guys are going to know what they are. And whoa. You're going to love these. These are cool.
All right, downtown Appleton. Got some glass elevators, so I'm not going to go quite far enough with them to see what they are because these are lots of surprises. One of them's going to do.
This is kind of like some boring elevator. Actually, these kind of look like Montgomery's.
I doubt that.
Or like War Montgomery's. Or ThyssenKrupp.
Hey, we both get our own elevator.
All right, we'll ride solo then. Let's go down to LL. LL is locked, so we'll go up to 7. Sure. All right, now we'll ride this one back down. I just hit 7, so that's kind of my thought. I want to watch them both go up. There goes my car. They're a little out of sync.
We both had the same idea, but I didn't commit. Pretty cool, though.
Actually, is that blue I see, or am I just... I think these might have been Dover. See the blue in there? I don't have my flashlight on me. So, I don't know. I need to actually go investigate these a bit more so I don't get a bunch of angry comments telling me, oh, actually, it's one of these because of this. So let's take a look at those in depth. But those are still cool. Oh, here it comes back down.
I guess they parked.
Yep. Oh, here comes the other one.
I guess they both parked. That was fun.
All right, that's it.